Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer Tron from a Telegram wallet to Binance. Right, so to transfer it, first of all, you have to just open your Telegram here, go to your Telegram wallet, just open your wallet here, click on open wallet here, and here you have to just go and click on I agree and your wallet will get open here. Right, now here you have to tap on Tron beta, right? So by the way, this is only available in the latest version of Telegram. So if you have the latest version, to access your Tron wallet, tap on send and choose the external wallet. Now copy the Tron wallet address from your Binance account. So just go to your Binance account here, and once here into your Binance account, by the way, this is not the only one who is looking for it. As you can see here, the other people is also looking for it. And once you're here, copy the Tron wallet address from your Binance account, open Binance and go to the wallet, then spot, then deposit, search for Tron, select it, choose the appropriate network, Tron coin, copy the Tron wallet address, paste the Binance Tron wallet address in the specific field, enter the amount of Tron. A memo will be required to transfer Tron, so make sure you just save it when Binance will give it to you. Tap confirm and send and wait for at least 10 minutes, then it's done. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.